Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we'll be exploring some commonly used treatments for a dry cough. But prior to that, let's delve into the concept of a dry cough. Definition of dry cough. A cough is a reflex action aimed at clearing irritants and mucus from the airway. There are two main types of cough: productive and non-productive. A productive cough expels phlegm or mucus from the lungs, while a non-productive cough, often referred to as a dry cough, doesn't produce phlegm or mucus. Causes of dry cough. A prevalent cause of a dry cough is airway hyper-responsiveness. Additionally, conditions like post-nasal drip, viral infections, and gastroesophageal reflux disease can also result in a dry cough. Less common factors include exposure to environmental irritants, ACE inhibitors, whooping cough, collapsed lung cancer, and heart failure. Treatment options for dry cough. Let's now focus on strategies to alleviate a dry cough. Honey for dry cough. Honey possesses antibacterial properties and aids in wound healing. It also provides a protective coating to the throat, minimizing irritation, pain, and inflammation. Honey can be consumed directly or added to warm water or tea. Notably, refrain from giving honey to children below 1 year old due to the risk of complications. Warm salt water gargle. Gargling with warm salt water is a simple yet effective home remedy. The salt helps draw out mucus from inflamed tissue, providing relief to a scratchy throat. Mix about 1/4 teaspoon of salt in lukewarm water and gargle several times a day. Humidification. Using a cool mist humidifier can increase room moisture, while taking a hot shower can also alleviate discomfort by loosening mucus and soothing the throat. Ginger's benefits. Ginger can relax airway smooth muscles, suppress the cough reflex, and offer anti-inflammatory and antibacterial effects. Ginger can be consumed as an ingredient in teas or as ginger tea made from fresh ginger roots steeped in warm water. Thyme's antispasmodic effects. Thyme contains thymol, which has antispasmodic properties. Infuse dried thyme in boiling water to make thyme tea, and consider adding honey for additional relief. Marshmallow root. Marshmallow root is found in cough syrups and lozenges for its soothing properties. It helps relieve throat irritation and has antibacterial effects. Peppermint's numbing effect. Peppermint contains menthol, which numbs irritated throat nerves and reduces the urge to cough. Peppermint tea or lozenges can provide relief, especially before bedtime. Cough medications. Over-the-counter cough medications with ingredients like dextromethorphan, camphor, or menthol can suppress the cough reflex. Prescription cough syrups containing codeine are also available for more severe cases. In conclusion, dealing with a persistent dry cough can be bothersome. If uncertain about the cause, consult a medical professional for appropriate treatment. In the meantime, a combination of home remedies and over-the-counter medications can offer relief. For more informative content, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.